Since our inception in 1980, Marquis has rebelled against the common hot tub, rebelled against the cookie-cutter designs, and especially rebelled against the ordinary swim spa experience. We have saved the rebellion and launched the dream. We have pushed the button for the stellar creation of the V150 Swim Spa, critical to the development of a full-throttle experience in super party tubs. The V150 has teleported past years of swim spa manufacturing to keep the dream alive. It is the next gen of the vessels with the Volt system of V3 throttle control, futuristic jet pods, and whitewater 4 jets that put you in command of your experience. The generous size of 150 by 90 by 50 inches high allows up to 8 travelers to come together in peace in open seating configuration. The V150 features 8 ergonomic seats for the party animals to congregate in comfort. Plus, the length and true 42-inch swim depth allows the recreational swimmer full range of motion and plenty of splash area for the kids and kids at heart. The edgy, powerful, linear design lines of the V150 model make it very distinctive from all other spas in the universe. More dynamic in style, the V150 vessel simply looks powerful just sitting there. And wait until you crank it up to warp speed. Vector-optimized laminar therapy, or the Volt system, is the new integrated command and control for 21st century hydrotherapy and adjustable hot tub or swim spa performance. Pumps generate the flow. The variable velocity valve V3 throttle targets and channels the performance to the specific seats and swim jets, and the Vector 21 jet pods and whitewater 4 jets deliver the action. Push-button electronic navigation keeps all systems go on the course you set. The 3 whitewater 4 swim jets produce 160 gallons per minute of flow that recreational swimmers will enjoy. Plus, the flow is adjustable up or down to your specific needs. Even young swimmers can delight in the variable current. The Volt Hydrotherapy system is buried deep inside the V150 vessel and activates power from one 2-speed 160 gallons per minute pump on the swim end and one 2-speed 360 gallons per minute pump for the therapy seats. The output from the pumps maximizes laminar flow. Laminar flow delivers maximized flow volumes and significant hydrotherapy benefits because there are no cross currents, no eddies, and no swirls of water. It passes through the tubing to fuel the V3 throttle, which precisely channels a flow force into one or more of the jet pods in the vessel. The V3 throttle gives you complete command of the flow, benefiting one seat on up to all 8 locations aligned with each pump. You can be targeted to one location, several locations, or all on, as you decide. That degree of command and flow control can't be found on other brands of hot tubs or swim spas today. Then, the Vector 21 jet pods jettison past the harsh, punishing pressure of the ordinary hot tubs or swim spas with their high flow, low pressure engineering. The directional jet pod targets precise muscle locations for the deepest massage. The targeted high flow volume through the jet pods moves you by utilizing deep tissue muscle massage without the high pressure that irritates the skin surface. Trust the force and party on. Orbital jet pods deliver a paced rotating surface action, more like a sport massage style, focusing movement over the skin surface and shallow tissue below. Conal jet pods deliver a more gentle Swedish massage type movement over the skin surface, delivering a relaxing and restful release. And then, you see and feel the force. A jet like no other, just throttle the red V3 valve, and 2 whitewater 4 jets create thundering explosions of power from the bottom of the swim spa that can move the entire water content into enormous flows of hydrotherapy. Foot massage, lower leg massage, even frontal body massage, a churning pillar of water that breaks the surface. The power we're dealing with here is immeasurable. The force is strong. Select your muscle group areas to receive therapeutic focus of the Volt system. Throttle the speed for precise jet flow. Lay back or stroke forward and ride the vector you are on. The V150 also has all of the standard and optional creature comforts you may want while you are being transported to your aquatic base. backlit water features, an LED multicolor light, headrests, and more. Starlight LED can bring an expanded galaxy of colors and light to your V150 journey as well, both inside and out. Cosmic Audio is available for your music with Wi-Fi transceiver and surface mount speakers. If you want more than the standard Constant Clean and Smart Clean filtration systems, the optional inline sanitation and ozonator in Constant Clean Plus make water care the easiest it can possibly be. Plus, two 50 square foot filters up the clean water game. Environments can turn your V150 vessel from swim spa to party central with steps and storage that coordinate perfectly with the distinctive designs. Vector 21, featuring the V150 Swim Spa, continues the quest to rebel against the ordinary and keep hope alive. If you are ready for something like no other, the V150 will transport your body, mind, and soul to the future and beyond.